Yes, it is a pain in the butt to take all these plastic clips down. But as I have talked about over and over again, what are we going to do if we don't take these plastic clips down and spray the metal? You're going to spray the plastic? The plastic isn't going to rust. You have to get in these crevices here and you have to spray the metal. Now, whether or not I had sprayed this with Rust Check over the years is a side issue of why there's a bunch of tiny rocks in here. In the winter, this fills up with rock salt. So you've heard my rants on these plastic clips before. Look at that. It's just a giant catcher for rock salt and rocks. So all that rock salt is just sitting up against the body of the underside of the vehicle. So unless this customer feels like taking these plastic clips off and just removing them, God forbid you remove them. I mean, they're offering so much protection from something. I don't know what. Like, what is this protecting? So until the customer removes them, I'm doing the best I can. I suggest, hey, why don't you remove these things? But until then, yeah, you got to take them down, spray them properly, spray the product properly, and put it all back up. It's a pain, yes, not gonna lie to you, but you have to do it. Have to.